think, and we know the importance of that because criminal cases have priority over civil cases, and so if our criminal docket is overflowing, then we can't get to the civil cases, and then if we have cases with children and elderly people, we don't get to those cases, and so it's important that we address that. I think the issue in the misdemeanor court right now, I think there's some internal problems, I believe, in the district attorney's office and the public defender's office at the misdemeanor level, and I think that's cause for some of the issues. I think that that's my assessment of what the problem is with the situation. What can the master calendar, the criminal master calendar judge do about that? Obviously, you can have meetings, you can set up structures, but just having been around, I think that hopefully they'll work out some of those issues. Mm-hmm. But I think it's very important.
I think we're nearly out of time, but certainly want to give you an
ideas that I might use.
Well, actually, I want to give you an opportunity to say whatever,
Okay.
Is there anything that we haven't covered that you would like to cover in closing?
Well, just something that when we started talking about the misdemeanor courts, I had a case in Los Angeles. I did a DUI in Los Angeles. They have a morgue program, and in that program, when you're convicted of a DUI as part of your probation, you go into the morgue, and you don't actually look at. Obviously, you have to respect privacy, but you don't look. You look at a covered body essentially, and then you write something to the court. And I think I've always thought that might be good. I'd like to see it here with our DUIs, but as a citizen, I'm concerned about the murder rate in San Francisco, and I've been thinking about that. I've had 3 people in my family who knew folks that have been murdered in the last 2 years. And so, I would, as a judge, I would like to maybe think about bringing that program here and maybe applying it to the probation of some of our gang cases or our gun charges. I've just been thinking about that a lot, just because a couple of weeks ago, one of my nephew's associates was shot up in Ingleside, and so. With respect to that, but I think we've covered everything. I think I've hopefully gotten across who I am, and if there's anything else, I'll answer. But